Hi. Some of you out there might be wondering, how do you handle sanitation and waste management? I'm very glad you asked that. On the Isle of Nuwekrag, we take being a self-contained, self-sustaining island very seriously. Everything from ceramics to metals are recycled several times over. Even things that cannot be recycled easily, like volatile chemicals or bio-waste, has a purpose. Thanks to our patented, one-of-a-kind cobalt-xenite chemical furnace, the island's own unwanted hazardous elements can be safely disposed of while providing heat and electricity for the whole island. The meteor-infused chemical furnace even aids in funerary arrangements via our funerary disposal units. We inform you of this to put to rest rumors about contaminated sources for our meat products. Although I should mention that for a bonus fee, you can opt for an interring of your remains in our greenery production labs to enrich plant growth. As we say on the Isle of Nuwekrag, cremation is free, but flowers cost extra. Aha. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.